Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of some phones I picked up on eBay. This is actually a phone lot, I think of 4 if I remember right. And I do have some more videos coming this week, so go ahead and stay tuned for those. Here we go. Let's go ahead and zoom out real quick. Here is the first device. Let me see if I can get, I don't know if the back comes off on this one. Yeah, it does. It's right here in this bottom corner. Looks like it has a replacement battery possibly, or maybe that's the phone. Never heard of that before. Battery there, there's a SIM card in there. No SD card though. Looks to be a resistive touchscreen on that one. Here we have a Samsung Intensity 2 on Verizon in blue. Pretty good shape. Got a few scratches on the plastic screen. It's probably dead. And I am recording with my S23 Ultras, with my last videos were recorded with as well. SCHU 460. So there's that one there. Bubble wrap. Here we have a LG. Let's see, the back cover does come off as well. Some of these backs are pretty good. Pretty sticky. Looks somewhat spilled on this one. Does have a SIM card in there. Model LG MS210. You can see in there and in here. Pretty much coated. I would say it's definitely seen better days. It does have a crack on it down here at the bottom. But actually looks, minus that, it looks to be in pretty good shape. Got some more phones there. That's all that's in there. So here we have a Samsung. There it is right there. Model SM-S327VL. Does have a SIM card in there as well. No SD card. There that one is. I would say it's in pretty decent shape as well. It does have a few minor scratches on it, but pretty good other than that. Here we have a Samsung SM-S111DL on track phone. Screens to be, and let's see if I put it down here. This one looks to be pretty good shape. Nothing on this one at all. So there's that one, and then a LG with a case. Let's see if we can get this case off. Definitely on there pretty well. Here's that off, and here's the phone itself. This is probably going to be in the best of shape because it was in a case, maybe, if it doesn't have all the markings on it. Let's see, we're going to pop the back cover off on this one as well. LG MP450 SIM card as well. Alright. And the screen on this one, pretty good shape as well. So there's a quick unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.